fly your drone whenever you feel to. Nobody will judge you, nobody will tell you privacy and shit. So yeah, it was quite fun. Even this lady flew the drone. How was it?
It was fun.
Right? So much fun. How about you, Adam? Was it fun?
The drone.
You like the drone? How much do you like the drone?
6.
6? 6 out of what?
Out of 10.
6 out of 10?
Look how full this bottle is.
Yes, it's always like that. Cool. Say good morning. What are you looking for? Morning. We woke up around 6, I think, because the crow was knocking on the tree and then he was trying to steal a bag of crackers that we left outside, and it was quite noisy. So we decided to wake up. Anyways, breakfast is at 8 and now it is 7:30, so still quite some time. I uploaded the video yesterday and then apparently YouTube told me that it's uploaded, and then it decided that it's under process, and then now I look and it's 96%. So I don't know, what should I do? I'm almost giving up on uploading videos. Look, it's a bee.
They're looking right now. Everybody's eating their food.
I'm also eating my food.
You are?
I don't like rice.
Adam, where did we go?
Huh?
Where did we go before?
Beach.
Yeah, we're to the beach. What did we do in the beach?
Sarcasm.
Sandcastle. And also we went inside the water and Papa did what?
Shark.
Papa did the shark, right?
Yeah.
And we played also with what?
We played
This
kite.
one.
Yeah.
We flew the drone.
Yeah.
What did we do with the drone?
We flied up.
Oh, very good. And now it's back to rain. Oh, it was raining a little bit now.
Yeah, today a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
How much is this one?
It's raining again. Oh, not anymore. I brought you water.
Me? Thank you.
Put
The cold one?
inside that one.
Can we put water inside the water?
But there is already water in the water.
Why would you put water inside water? Your boat ran away, Adam.
Bye bye,
Go bring
boat.
it.
I told you this will happen.
It will go up to the stairs and then it will come to you, then stop here.
I don't think boats go up the stairs.
You can take it.
Papa will save the day. Nice bath. And now we push Papa and he falls in the water.
Papa, go.
Are you worried about Papa? Are you worried that Papa is going to fall in the water?
I'll show you how to do this. Like this.
That's the way deep. That's the way I do.
And now we look to Mama and say, hey, hey, hey.
Well, I like this.
Be careful, okay? Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful, okay?
I
Go for
sincerely
it.
don't have balance. I'm struggling.
That one is easy, it's big.
Yeah, this is easy. That one is not easy.
Let's put the seashell inside there.
No, no, no. It will drown. Let's not do that, okay? The seashell will drown.
And seashell will break.
Yes.
If you want, both the truck can go inside.
No. Only boats go inside.
Why? Where the boat?
It's exactly in the middle. You look funny.
Other side?
You're
Like
walking
this.
like crabs, sideways. With a crab?
Now we go up. Now we go back?
Yeah.
Let's go back.
Look where you're going. Because he looks at
Look.
me with a smile on his face.
Look where you're going.